Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Hey guys, you're here again with me, baby. Welcome back to my Chanel. Get it? Chanel bags? If you are already a subscriber here, welcome back. But if you are not, please feel free to hit that subscribe button because it is very exciting here. Exciting! I am now shooting this video on a Saturday morning. It is October 16, which means it is actually my birthday. Normally, I'm like super lazy and I would not dare vlog on my birthday. I would rather rest, go around and eat. But I'm very excited today because I bought a birthday gift to self last night from the newly opened Louis Vuitton store in Greenbelt. So as you guys know, Greenbelt 3, it used to be like this high-endish area, but they reopened, and yesterday, October 15, was day 1 of the Louis Vuitton store, according to the SA who texted my husband. And we were like, we should probably pay a visit. So that is exactly what we did. We booked the schedule, and I just really wanted to look around, see what they got. I was super excited to go to this new area. You guys, even the bathroom is beautiful. Check out those marble countertops. Ay. And then when you go inside, the stores are more or less closed still. There's going to be a Fendi, there's going to be a Jimmy Choo, a Roger Vivier.
Ano yan?
Bibilan na rin ako ng shoes like Yejin.
Yan ba yung sa hometown cha-cha-cha?
Yeah. Louis V. How exciting. Sakto. Or my Louis V today. The only stores open were like Bulgari and Dior. So now there's a Dior that is not in Soler. Yay! And of course, andyan si Louis Vuitton. Compared to the old Greenbelt location, it was a lot brighter, a lot bigger. I feel it's only one floor this time, but it felt a lot wider for me. I liked it. You could go swimming in that. Yeah. I just felt it would be nice to take a look at what they had, so here we go. So this is our VIP room. Oh my God! Hello! So hindi pa tayo VIP, so hindi tayo dyan, but it is pretty. O, diba Glenn? Ano nangyayari dyan sa loob?
Normally we cater those very important clients.
Yeah. Meron silang sariling banyo, saka may pa-water, ganon. Now that we've had a little tour of the women's wear, the men's wear, let's also take a look at the stuff that I wanted. You know, I tried. This Alma BB, for example, so adorable. I've always wanted an Alma BB, but this epi leather was just, the cutest thing ever. It has a matching strap. I've seen this around, but I never tried it on. I would say I'm quite disappointed in the strap because it ended so high above my torso, like under the boobage. Am I allowed to say that on YouTube? I'm not really sure. It was way too high for me crossbody, and that is really the way I like to wear my bags, so it was a no-no for me. It wasn't adjustable. So how now, brown cow? That didn't work out, so I was asking, you know, do you have a Pochette Metis? Because I have been thinking about this bag a lot, and whenever I go to these Louis Vuitton branches, like in Greenbelt, the old Greenbelt, and in Solaire, they don't have it. They always say, no Pochette Metis. But last night, our SA Glenn, who's actually a trainee, a very sweet one at that, he did pull out like a million Pochette Metis variations. Okay, so we have like the navy blue with the red trim. We have the newer designs as well, but I really was just looking for the black empreinte leather. There's just something so timeless about it because I use my Chanel So Black Classic flap a little bit too much. I feel like I really need an alternative, and this one was really what I was thinking could do the job. I tried it on, I wore it around the store, like while my husband was going around, I was wearing it, you know, really internalizing it and everything. It wasn't as light as my Loewe for sure, but it wasn't bad. It was just slightly heavier. Then when I almost made up my mind, I was like, Glenn, do you have a canvas version? Just for fun. So he pulled it out and I was like, I think I like that one. I tried it on, it was a lot lighter, and you guys know I am biased if it is quite light. And then I got confused. I was so very confused that I took like 2 hours trying to decide between the leather versus the canvas. You see, I never considered the canvas because I already have this one, my side bag. I always thought that this bag that I bought from Japan will be with me forever just because it's so easy to use. You can just grab and go with this one. But I feel like I maybe don't love it as much, and that is why the reverse monogram really appealed to me, guys. It was so gorgeous. It was a very difficult decision to make for me because on the one hand, you have your leather, which obviously is more durable. You're never gonna have to baby it. It's gonna look the exact same way in a couple of years versus your monogram, which is still very classic in my opinion because Louis Vuitton monogram, obviously that's gonna be forever. But I loved the reverse because it looked a lot more stylish, a lot younger, and obviously the usability for me was really a plus just because I compared them. I know that they are just slightly different in weight, but when you wear it, there is just a huge difference for some reason. Like I put my wallet in both of these bags, and the canvas was definitely lighter while I walked around the store. Which I guess leads us to our unboxing. I'll go, which one did I buy? Which one? Write it in the comment section down below now. I'll wait. Type it. Did I go for the leather? The smarter choice, I think? Or did I go with a canvas, which is a lot more me? Okay, that's enough time wasting. Comes in this giant paper bag. Next we have our box, this beautiful Louis Vuitton box. They always look like this. It has that magnetic opening. Pretty straightforward. We have our dust bag. No tissues or anything. Let's open this up. I got the reverse monogram. Oh, hi. I know this bag was amazingly hyped a few years ago, back when I wasn't into bags yet. Everyone was looking for this, and it is still quite hard to find right now, but it is available in store if you guys want to get it. This is our Pochette Metis in the reverse monogram. See, normal monogram, reverse. You can also see it here on the sides, a little peekaboo of our reverse monogram. I quite love this color. A lot of people don't like it, but I love it. I just feel like it's a little bit different and fresh. And I also love these black leather details over here. The black for me is really amazing because I am not that much of a fan of the Louis Vuitton vachetta, which turns into this. I did buy the second hand, so I wasn't able to coat it in something to protect the straps from those watermarks. guys should use Colonel. But some people like it. The process of this turning into honey, it's like a story. But for me, I just really like to keep it as pristine as possible. So the fact that this is black is a major plus for me, this black leather. If I'm holding it and my hands are oily or something, yeah, it's not gonna be much of a problem. I'm still going to protect this for sure. Close up, we have our lock over here, which opens up like that. It's very easy to close even without anything inside. So I think the old reviews of people having a really hard time with it, I feel like maybe, you know, Louis Vuitton fixed it up, all of those complaints. And I was very scared to get this one because, speaking of complaints, there are glazing issues in the past models, but I really feel like this looks pretty darn sturdy. I don't know. I heard also issues on like crooked locks, but this one is very straight, very beautiful. Anyway, we also have a zipper at the back, quite a thin back pocket, but I don't really put things in my back pocket anyways. We have a beautiful strap over here. I think this one was really calling out to me. The fact that it has this logo strap, it's just so gorgeous. And it has the gold adjustable hardware. I think a beautiful touch. The hardware also has that little Louis Vuitton over there. Same with the D-ring. Then we go inside and we've got this like black felt feeling material. We also have that Louis Vuitton tab over there. And this is one of the reasons why I almost didn't buy it, because when I was checking the bag for damage or whatever, I saw this. Those little creases on the top flap, which the leather does not have. And that is because that's where the tabs for this handle are tucked in. Looks like that. So I think, you know, in a couple of years, that's really gonna wrinkle up quite a bit. But if you are a fan of Louis Vuitton canvas, I don't think it should bother you because you kind of know how it's gonna look like in the future. Kind of like this. Yeah, that's how mine looks like. So actually this is quite old and it looks beautiful. Still pristine. Let's wear this. It is on the third hole, which is landing perfectly on my hip. I think it looks really good with my outfit already, to be honest. And then you can hold the top handle. I never wear bags on the crook of my arm or anything, so I just wear it like this. That little area is fine with me. I like it. So I just want to check if I can dress it up or dress it down. I'm going to try it obviously with neutrals first because it is quite a neutral color. So we're gonna go for a little bit of a monochromatic look. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try with something a little bit more grungy this time because I do tend to experiment with my clothes. I'm not always just neutral, not always just casual, but yeah, I think this sort of works, but not completely. I might have to change to like khaki pants or something. Finally, my everyday looks are very casual, so I think it really works with this type of outfit. You can definitely dress it down, but also make it a little bit more formal sometimes. So this is, I think, my favorite look. I love the vibe that this is, you know, quite fresh. Still a briefcasey kind of look for me, but I love it. I think I'm gonna have a very easy time styling this. I also don't really have much bags that have gold hardware. That said, up to now, after even purchasing this, I am still having just a few reservations about it, because when I looked at my Instagram, I noticed that I really wear my Chanel So Black so much. I think around 80% of my outfits I wear that. So I am thinking, you know, I was looking for a black one. Should I stick with a black one? I do have a couple of days to think about this and change it to the color that I want if I want to. Do you think I made the right choice with the reverse monogram, or do you think I should still get the black front leather? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this little shopping vlog. I'll see you again next time. Peace and love. Bye!